Get a day start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, I have no hesitation in lending my full support to the resolution which has been moved in the House. This resolution is very timely and the government will be well advised to take into consideration the various factors which the mover has already enumerated in support of his resolution. Sir, as his house knows very well, the government always has thought it necessary to come out with a statement of policy regarding the control and planning of economy at the beginning of very plan. The first plan was preceded by the Industrial Policy Resolution of 1948, and when experience was gathered during the working of the first plan, the government thought it necessary to come out with another resolution again on industrial policy in 1956, and at that time it was stated by the government that that resolution had become necessary because of the experience that was gathered during the working of the first plan. Similarly, we are now on the threshold of the 10th plan, and it will be necessary for us to consider again the industrial policy of the government in the light of the experience that we have gathered during the second plan period. It is true that the 1948 resolution and the 1956 resolution emanated from the government. To no committee was appointed at that time to examine the various aspects of these industrial policies. But we must also remember that the entire responsibility for the formulation of the 9 plans was taken by the government itself. When we are on the threshold of the 10th plan, responsible government spokesmen and even the president have expressed the desire that all the various elements of the nation should combine together at the very outset to apply their minds to the formulation of the 10th plan, and that cooperation from all sections is welcome by the government. When various sections of the 10th plan, it will be necessary for the country to know exactly what should be the industrial policy, what should be the economic policy that should govern the formulation of the 10th plan. It is because of this that this particular problem should not be left to the tackled by the government alone.